that one that got cut.
There we go, there we go. Bunch of hogs right here. To our right. They're busting, they're gonna bust out. There they go, there they go. There goes 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I got those. There they go. I see them crossing the field. Unhook one of them dogs, run it that way. Here comes the dogs. They're hitting the field now.
Yeah, they're fucked. I know that.
Okay, the dogs are back here. Hogs just ran up there. Here they go. They're hitting the field. They're going to start getting on them now. Oh, almost went off the buggy. Trying to get close.
I've been told to act like my brother.
Yeah, that was the dogs in front of us. Dog just ran in front.
Does it have a lock on it?
No, it ain't got a lock on it.
Another hog just jumped right here.
Run down right now. Drop. Get it. Run.
Catch that hog while you're down there.
350 yards.
That third dog probably just got to him down there. Good shallow spot right there. It's shallow right there. Get him before it gets deep.
This looks like a great spot for you to finish.
Shit, there gonna be 6 of us piling onto this buggy right now.
Damn. Oh, come on now.
Oh, here it comes. This bitch is pissed.
That little sound looks stout right now.
That shit was funny.
That little sound looks stout across.
Might have our second caught up here.
This is how we hunt, but we got a shotgun.
Yeah, he's like, I don't know why y'all couldn't hit that deer running.
That's what we are in.
I got one.
Yeah, you think you lost him right here? He was coming right at us. Everybody's drunk, and we're stuck as hell, and I'm cutting shit down. We're in a ditch. Give me a battery. We stuck. Oh boy.
Rick, he said okay.
Oh boy. Oh, we out. We out. Jeez, I'm surprised that didn't snap.
Hey, can you get that dog right now?
Deep jacking.
Where's that one back? Hey,
That's not as bad.
it's shearing this other side. Shear the ears on those fucking ears.
Here, hold the thermal. I'm pretty sure that's a hog. Oh look, yeah, hey, I see.
There's a couple of them.
No, we're just walking in front of Justin's dog. There you go, there you go. Oh, it's a baby. Come on, grab his back legs. Grab his back legs. Get it, call hog, call hog, call hog. Good boy, come on. Trying to make our way to a dog that we lost for like 4 hours now. We just heard him baying, so we're trying to get around these ditches. Should be out here somewhere. 5 o'clock in the morning, time to call it quits.